Number 1.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $9,750. The truck has traveled 103,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a dependable 305 V8 gasoline engine. It features a brown exterior with its original paint paired with a tan interior, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Owned by one family since new, this C10 was originally purchased in Alabama, making it a true southern truck with approximately 99% rust-free condition. It runs and drives great, offering both comfort and reliability thanks to fully functioning air conditioning and heating, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, and a tilt steering wheel. All lights and gauges operate exactly as they should, further emphasizing its well-maintained condition. In addition to its mechanical soundness, the truck retains valuable original items such as the original owner's manual, warranty booklet, and dealer-issued keys, adding to its collector appeal.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $8,500. It is powered by a 2.2-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine, a powertrain well known for its fuel efficiency and long-term reliability, making it suitable for both daily driving and light-duty work. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth and comfortable driving, while still providing adequate performance for everyday use. Finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, this S10 features a classic and timeless compact pickup design that remains practical and versatile. The interior is simple and functional, offering basic amenities such as manual windows and a durable cabin layout designed for long-term use. The chassis is solid and dependable, reflecting Chevrolet's reputation for building tough and easy-to-maintain trucks. This vehicle has been well cared for and benefits from upgraded wheels, adding a customized look to its overall appearance. It also comes equipped with remote door locking for added convenience.
Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet C20, price $9,250. The truck is powered by a 5.3 LS gasoline engine paired with a factory 4-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly, delivering a solid and enjoyable driving experience. It features a 2WD drivetrain and comes finished in a classic white exterior with a blue interior. The vehicle is equipped with a towing package, dual exhaust, and a retro-style radio, adding both functionality and vintage character. All gauges and lights are fully operational, and all glass remains in good condition. The truck drives very well and is considered a reliable daily driver, with a notably clean undercarriage. It carries a rebuilt title due to an accident years ago that affected the bed of the truck, but it has since been repaired and maintained properly. Overall, this Chevrolet C20 stands out as a clean, well-kept classic truck that is both dependable and enjoyable to drive. Number 4.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, features a manual transmission and has approximately 167,000 miles. Finished in blue, the truck has been garage kept for most of its life and remains very clean with little to no rust, complemented by a fresh new paint job. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including new spark plugs and wires, a new distributor with rotor and cap, map sensor, crankshaft position sensor, fuel pump and filter, fuel injectors or spider injectors, and a new power steering pump. Additional upgrades include new headlights and taillights, a newer tonneau cover, a new serpentine belt with idler and tensioner pulleys, sway bar links, and a lower mileage transfer case. The tires and rims are less than a year old, and a modern touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay adds everyday convenience.
Number 5.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, presented in good overall condition and has accumulated approximately 98,000 miles. It is powered by a reliable 305 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and comfortable driving performance. The truck features a sleek black exterior complemented by a matching black interior, giving it a classic and cohesive appearance. This vehicle has been well maintained and recently updated with several new components, including new tires, a new alternator, a new starter, a new battery, a new windshield, new brakes, and a new fuel pump. It also benefits from fresh new paint, enhancing both its visual appeal and overall condition. With these updates and its solid mechanical setup, this 1983 Chevrolet 1500 stands as a dependable and attractive classic pickup.
Number 6.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, well-preserved classic pickup that has been carefully maintained over the years. It has only 89,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it both reliable and comfortable to drive. The truck features a brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a clean and timeless appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine mated to a 700 R4 automatic transmission.
The truck runs and drives great, with a solid and dependable drivetrain. Both the heating system and air conditioning are fully functional, providing comfort in all weather conditions. It comes with a clean Ohio title and remains very straight, with a solid body that reflects the care it has received throughout its life.
Number 7.
1979 GMC 1500, price $8,600. It features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and well-preserved look. Overall, the truck is in very solid condition, with only one minor rust spot located behind the passenger side rear wheel. Aside from that area, the rockers, cab corners, floors, fenders, and bed lip remain solid and intact. The truck has received numerous recent updates and maintenance work, including new spark plugs, ignition wires, a water pump, radiator, and radiator hoses. It also comes with new tires, new brakes, and new front rubber brake lines. The interior has been refreshed with new carpet, good replacement door panels, and a new dash pad. Additionally, new inner and outer door seals have been installed, along with new felt around the door windows, helping improve overall fit and insulation.
Number 8.
1969 Ford F250, price $6,900. It is powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering strong and reliable performance for its class. The engine was rebuilt at around 187,000 miles, and the truck has since been garage kept, with the engine started weekly to help maintain its condition, though it has not been regularly driven. Finished in a brown exterior with a tan interior, this F250 retains an authentic and timeless look. As a camper special model, it was built for durability and added capability. The truck does not require smog testing in California, has current registration tags valid through the end of February, and comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 9.
1996 Ford F250, price $2,500. Powered by a reliable 7.3 power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior with a matching interior and runs and drives well overall. It has recently been fitted with a new starter and starts easily, even in cold conditions. The 4x4 system is fully functional, making it suitable for work or off-road use. While there is a small leak at one of the transmission cooler lines, the core support remains solid, and the bed is in decent condition for its age. However, the driver's side floor pan shows damage near the rocker panel. Despite this, the vehicle remains a strong-running diesel truck with solid mechanical performance and practical features.
Number 10.
1982 Ford F150, price $2,500, with approximately 197,000 miles and a manual transmission, powered by the reliable 4.9L inline six-cylinder gasoline engine. It features a Borg-Warner T18 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low, offering strong low-end capability and smooth cruising. Finished in red on red, the truck runs and drives beautifully and is known for its reliability. Recent work includes fresh fluids and a tune-up, a new fully welded exhaust system, and major brake upgrades such as a new master cylinder, brake booster, brake hoses, and rear drum brakes. While it is a solid and enjoyable driver, it will need floor pan repairs along with attention to the cab and bed corners, making it a good project with strong mechanical bones.